Konnichiwa, hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I figured we switch it up a little bit, bring it back old school, and just kind of film something a little different. Today's video is going to be on what is in my purse. Yes, these videos used to be all over the interweb way back when. Now, if you're new here or you enjoy my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. I don't know if you guys are getting notifications or not, but the last couple of my videos have not gotten like almost no views compared to like my other videos. So don't forget to hit that bell button because then you're not gonna know when I post my videos. Now, my disclaimer, if you are super sensitive to profanity or if you are easily offended, this is not the place for you. I'm a no filter bitch and I have no idea what's gonna come out of this mouth, so keep that in mind while you're watching. So if you guys are interested in what I carry in my purse day to day, then just stay tuned. I have no idea what is going on my lips today, you guys. I'm wearing the Melt Cosmetics lipstick. This is in the shade Cherried, which I really love. It's super pretty and I think it goes with this look really good, but I don't know, it's really freaking patchy and it's just doing some weird shit, and it's also already feathering. This is just smearing all over the place. All right, anyways, let's get into what is in my purse. Now, I have not cleaned it, I have not looked in it, I have not done anything to this guy right here. Now, this is actually my favorite purse of all time. I got this at TJ Maxx. You guys don't even know how much I would just love to be at TJ Maxx right now. Anyways, I got this at TJ Maxx for about $30 something, and it is literally one of my favorite purses ever. This bag is pretty damn messy. There's a bunch of crap in here, and we're just gonna go right through it. I'm gonna go through my little pockets that I have here. I have one little pocket. Let's see if I can get everything out of it. I have a lot of shit. All right, so I have an abundance of bobby pins. There's like 5 or 6 bobby pins here. Now I have this lip balm. Oh, this is from H&M. That's right. So a long time ago, I actually bought a bunch of H&M products. When I went on my trip to DC, my friend and I actually went to H&M, and I did not know that they had a beauty corner. And I actually got almost a full face of H&M stuff, but a lot of their products weren't being sold anymore for like the beauty products, and so I was like, I'm not gonna make the video, I guess. But the one thing that I did find out of all the things that I love, like I tried their foundation, their powder, everything kind of sucked. Like H&M makeup is just fucking terrible. The only thing that I really liked was this. I don't know if it's a lip balm, I don't know if it's like what it is because there's no label on it really. It's kind of gone away, but this shade is It's Your Mauve, and it's like a balmy type of tinted, I don't know, I think it's a tinted balm, I want to say. There's the color there. This is literally the only thing that I saved from that entire collection, and the reason why I like this so much is because on the days where I'm not wearing too much makeup but I forget my lipstick, that's when I go in with this because it adds a pop of color and it makes my lips look more alive and brighten instead of just dual and plain chapped lips like I normally have. Now, of course, I am one of those girls that anytime I see coupons, I just grab them. I used to be an avid couponer. If you guys don't know what that is, that's where you go to the store and you look fucking ridiculous because you have like 5, 6 items of one thing, of one particular product, and then you're dishing out like so many different coupons for them to bring the total down, and that was just a lot of work. But I will say, for the first 2 years, my husband and I did not have to buy any essentials like detergent, softener, toothpaste, like that kind of stuff. The other thing I have in my purse is this cute little Mickey Mouse mirror. I got this actually before I moved here. This is one of those things that you get from the 100 yen store, and it's a pretty decent size. It's just a little mirror here, and what you can do is you can flip it over like this and put it on the table and just rest it, and you can use it like that, or you can hold it like a regular mirror and do your makeup. But I just really love these mirrors because they're just so cheap and they're really nice and slim, so they just slip right into the pockets. I have some of my anti-anxiety meds in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slip that right back in there. Now I'm gonna dig into this other small pocket that I have here, and there is quite a bit of shit in here too. I don't know, what am I doing with all this crap? I have pepper spray in my purse. Now, if you guys don't carry some kind of self-defense tool mechanism, you probably should, because things are getting kind of crazy out there. There's always some fucking weirdos walking around. You never know, especially when you're walking like to and from your car. Those are the times where they fucking get you. So always keep some kind of like pepper spray. I'm actually considering getting is it a taser or a stun gun? I don't know the difference between them. I just know that they both electrocute people. And so I'm actually considering getting a stun gun because I feel like with this, I don't know. I feel like I would be really finicky with it and just, I don't know. Also, these expire. So, you know, with a stun gun, they don't expire. You can recharge them. Now I have, I totally forgot I even got this. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. I love this stuff. This is probably one of the best glosses I've ever used. It's not very goopy. It's not very thick. And I just really like the consistency. And it also helps with my chapped lips, which is why it's in my purse. The last product in these two little pockets here is something that's not cruelty free anymore, but I'm kind of just like using it up so I don't feel as terrible, and I don't want to throw it out because I already, you know, bought this a while back. This is the Physicians Formula Muda Muda Butter. I don't even know what it is. It's like a balm or it's a lip cream. That's what it says. Now I'm really sad to say that I will no longer be purchasing or talking about Physicians Formula on my channel. Physicians Formula is actually under the same brand as Wet n Wild. I did not know this, as well as Black Radiance, I believe. I think they're all kind of in the same, what do you call it? Underneath the same owner. And so I am just, you know, Physicians Formula, I've been selling in China as well, and they're just no longer cruelty free. And so it kind of sucks because I really, really loved this lip cream, but I'm just going to use it up and then throw it away and then be done with Physicians Formula. So that is what was in my two little pockets here. Now we're going to go into the main compartment, which is all this junk right here. First, I have my wallet. I actually got this a couple years ago and it has my initials on it. Unfortunately, this wallet is leather, but back then when I bought it, I wasn't into being like cruelty free. Like I wasn't really aware of all that stuff, and I wasn't trying to actively try and be cruelty free. But now that I am, you know, I just use up what I have because I'm not going to throw it away just because it's leather, you know. Normally I carry the big wallet that's like this, where your bills fit in nicely and flat and they don't get bended like this, but this is just so much easier and I can put more shit in my purse. I'm just one of those people who love to stuff random shit in their purse, which we will probably see here in a bit. One of the random things that I stuffed in my purse is the Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. I do know why this is in my purse. I actually wanted to take this to Ulta because I went into Ulta before I put this in my purse, and I found out that they had a matte bronzing powder like this, but it was a different shade and it was still for lighter skin tones. This is for light skin tones as well, but I think they either reformulated or changed the color, and so I wanted to bring this in with me into Ulta to compare if the color has changed, because this bronzer is more of a orange undertone, and pale princesses, we don't like that orange undertone bronze. Like, we need something a little bit more cool tone. Ulta closed like literally the day after, and so I was just like, okay, I guess I'm just not gonna have to get it right now, and I'm just gonna have to wait. The next product I have is some pills in here. This is my lorazepam, another thing for anxiety that I just like to keep in my purse. A lot of people don't know this, but panic disorder is basically the fear of having a panic attack. And so when I was a lot younger and didn't have more control of my anxiety and my panic disorder, I would get really anxious whenever I went somewhere that I had already had a panic attack at. Whenever I had a panic attack somewhere, that was embedded in my brain that no matter when I go, I'm going to have a panic attack if I go to that same spot. And so a lot of the time I carry a lot of medication with me, just so in my mind I know that I'm prepared, and it's like, okay, don't worry about it because you have all your pills, so if anything ever happens, you can just pop one of those in and you'll be fine. Next, I have some tissues because you just never know. All right. Also, my husband always has a lot of allergies, always stuffy nose or runny nose, and I'm actually on that same boat. I don't know if you guys saw my last video where I posted like my allergy test, but your girl is on the same level, so I had to start carrying tissues in my purse. Next thing I have here is my ashtray. I know this doesn't look like an ashtray, but it's a portable ashtray. I do have a very bad, disgusting habit of smoking. I am trying to take care of that and smoke less and less, but you know, when things get stressful, sometimes you just pick up the cancer stick and you can't fucking help it. I have quit so many times now cold turkey, but once anything stressful kind of comes up, I kind of start back up, and I know it's a nasty habit, I get it, but this is my portable ashtray because I'm one of those people who do not really like throwing out cigarettes out the window. I don't like putting them down on the ground and then just like snuffing them out and leaving them. I actually like to be a good citizen and put my cigarettes in here. Now, I'm not going to open and show you like the actual inside, but it is just this really slim pouch here, and there's foil inside, so that way when you close it, you can't smell any of the cigarette smoke or any of the cigarette smell coming out of this. And I just really like like this because it's very portable, it's very nice, it keeps all my cigarette butts in here, and I'm not littering the planet with disgusting cancer sticks. Next thing I have here is also from the 100. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this is from the 100 yen store. My mirror is from the 100 yen store, and this guy is from the 100 yen store. This is actually a my bag. I call them my bags, but it's just a reusable bag that's wrapped up. I like to keep this in my purse because you never know. Sometimes I go out and I get random things and I will bust this bag out and be like, yo, just put it in that. Don't need no more plastic baggies. And so that way I always carry that in my purse, so I know that I have extra bag. The next item in my purse is this sunglass case with some sunglasses in it. These are Soho sunglasses. They sent them to me and I absolutely freaking love their sunglasses. They're all very affordable and they're all very, very cute designs, very wearable designs. They have so many variety, you guys. You guys should check them out. I actually have a code with them down in the description box if you guys want to check that out. You get 10% off and I get a little bit of a commission, you know, to help with my YouTube and all that jazz. So if you guys want to check these glasses out, girl, check out the link below. I really love their glasses because, again, they're very affordable. They have really cute styles on there. They also have polarized lenses, and they just have different kinds of stuff. They even have regular glasses just for fashion. They actually tried to send me regular glasses, and I'm like, no, bitch, I'm kind of a contacts wearer. Like, I need glasses to actually see, so I can't be running around, you know, with fake glasses because then I'm not gonna be able to see what the hell I'm doing. But anyways, I just love their sunglass case because this is one of those cases that flatten, and I love it because if I'm wearing my actual sunglasses, a lot of the time I'll put them on my head and I'll just fold this up and slip it right back into my purse. That way I know that my sunglasses have a place to go whenever I'm done wearing them. So I just love these glasses and this glasses case. So at the bottom of my bag, I have my little donut bag here. This is something I got from the dollar store here in America, and let me say, this is like just really cheap, crappy quality. It's just not what I'm used to coming from back home. This bag contains a metal straw. I bought a bunch of metal straws from TJ Maxx and I had nowhere to put them. There was no like little baggie that came with them or anything, and I'm one of those people who, whenever I go shopping, I do stop and get a little chai tea latte, and I like to use my metal straws. I will say that this pencil case is very cute, but it's just like a really, really cheapy material. So I have this little guy here. I love this pouch so much. Thank you to my friend who got this for me for my birthday because it has little fucking pineapples on it, you guys. I am obsessed with pineapples. I love anything with pineapples on them. So let's unzip this guy if I can. Oh, something is caught on this. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So I got this open and there is more shit inside. The first thing I have is some Listerine mouth spray because, again, I'm a smoker. Honestly, you guys, I'm a smoker, but I do not like smelling like cigarettes. I don't like the scent of cigarette smell. Now I have one of my little powder puffs here, which I actually meant to take out because I have this guy. This is the Tati Beauty Blendiful. This is the mini one that's in a heart shape. I've actually used this several times now and I fucking love it because any single time I have a spot on my face, like you guys know if you watch my foundation reviews, I always crease right here in the chin. I'm probably creasing right now. I haven't actually looked really closely in the mirror, but I will take the Blendiful and just blend it out, like no product, no powder, no nothing, and I can easily just blend out all the creases in my skin. I'm gonna be honest about this little guy. It does shed. You do have to wash it a couple of times for it to stop shedding. I've only washed this once, but there are fuzzies that kind of come off of this, so I feel like you may have to wash it a couple of times before it stops shedding the fuzz on your face. So you got to be careful when you use this. Other products I have is some Tylenol in this little travel size. I don't know how long, you guys, I've had this container, but all I do is I just refill it with regular Tylenol, and it sounds like there's only one in here, which is just a no-no because you're supposed to take 2 Tylenols at a time, so I need to refill that. You guys, I just found one of my favorite lipsticks that I've been looking for fucking ever. I have the Milani Bold Matte Lipstick in here, and it was in the little bag. This is the shade I Am Smart. I love this shade so much. It is such a beautiful nude, and I just, oh, I can't. It's so freaking pretty. And it smells so lovely. And I was looking for this for fucking ever, but there it is right in my purse, in my little miniature bag here. And I'm just glad that I found it. The next thing from my little pouchy guy here is the number 7 Perfect Light Press Powder. Now I've talked about this. I've mentioned this in so many of my videos that this is my favorite powder to carry along with me in my purse, but it's something that you guys may not have seen because I've talked about this years ago in my really old videos. Well, not really old. They were like 3 years old. I love this thing because not only does it come with a mirror, which I don't really need since I have the other foldable one in there, but it comes with this little tiny round flat poof, and I can just reset my face. But I normally actually use the Tati Beauty Blendiful because it picks up a little bit more powder. I have had this. It's actually probably time to get rid of this. I don't even know how long I've had this. I've had this for a really long time. I should probably throw this out and get a new one, except I haven't hit pan on it, so that's why I'm just like trying to like hold on to the last bit of it. But you can kind of see the outline of the bottom of the pan. I don't think the camera is going to pick it up, but it's there, so I'm really close, and that's why I've just savored it until I hit pan, because unless I hit pan, I'm going to feel really shitty throwing it away. So last couple of things I have in here is some hand cream. I'm actually looking for this for a while. This is the Dionys Goat Milk Skincare Hand Cream. I love this stuff. I actually got this at Cracker Barrel, like I want to say almost a year ago. My husband and I drove all the way to, I want to say it's Coeur d'Alene, which is in Idaho. It was like, I don't know, a 30-40 minute drive, which isn't that long, but we wanted to go to Cracker Barrel because they don't have one where we live. And so I got this in that little Cracker Barrel shop. I love the little Cracker Barrel shop, you guys. Like it never fails. I always go there after I eat, and I spent like 30 minutes in there looking at all the little knickknacks and stuff because they just sell some really cute stuff. Although everything is very overpriced, they sell some really cute stuff. I actually smelt this in store because I had a little tester and I just had to get it. This is in the scent Water, Flowers, and Sea Salt. I'm actually really happy about this because you can get these now at Ulta. And I love it. Like, I just love the smell. I love the consistency because it's not super like greasy, and it's a great hand lotion, especially to carry around in your purse because it's so tiny. The last thing I have in this little purse is a contact case, but there are no contacts in it. This is actually another pill case because, again, I carry a lot of medication with me, and so all I do is I use this little guy to put in my little teeny tiny pills. Now, if you guys have any contact cases that you don't use anymore, because you are supposed to change out your contact cases every 3 to 4 months, and if you are not using them anymore, you can use them as a little pill bottle to keep your little pills in. This contact case also came from the 100 yen store, and it has Hello Kitty on it, and so to me, that's why I love the 100 yen store, you guys. There's always such cute shit there. The last compartment I have is the little zipper guy here where you can keep all your like feminine products. All I have is some panty liners, which, I mean, no shame in talking about that here. We are women. And of course, cannot go without these. These are wet wipes. These are antibacterial wet wipes. I have them in the car, in my purse, in my room, in my bedroom, in the bath, everywhere. Okay, I have alcoholic wipes everywhere because they just need to be everywhere. And I've done this way before all this virus shit happened. Maybe I shouldn't say OCD, but I am a germaphobe. And so anything that is going to get rid of bacteria, it's gonna be somewhere either in my purse or in my car. And I'm just one of those people, you guys. I have to have the alcohol wipes in the purse. All right, so I'm actually really surprised because that wasn't as much shit as I normally carry in my purse. This is a proud moment for your girl here because I'm just really surprised. But as I'm sitting here, I'm like, I can probably put a travel setting spray in my purse. I can put a few more hairpins, like that kind of shit. That is the kind of shit that gets me in trouble because then my purse is going to be super duper heavy, and no one likes a really heavy purse. Like, any time I give my husband the purse, he's just like, the fuck is in here, you know, because I have a lot of shit. But this time I do not have that much shit in here, and so I feel like I should be proud right now. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please get a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as always, if you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply want to talk shit, leave it down in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.